Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to fix Instagram camera zoom problem or Instagram zoom problem. Instagram front camera zoom has a bug. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and be sure to watch throughout the entire video so that you don't miss a single detail. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go into our Play Store right here. At the moment, you need to go ahead and check if there is an Instagram update. So usually once that there is a bug, then the developers will do everything that they can to go ahead and fix that bug. One thing that you can do is to wait for them to fix that bug and then update your Instagram. Another thing that you can do is you can go right ahead and uninstall Instagram itself right here. So if you go ahead and click uninstall, and then what we're going to do is we're actually going to be installing an older version of Instagram. So if we go into our internet search bar right here and then we add in older Instagram version, we can go right ahead and choose this first one that says Android's APK free. So let's go ahead and click on this, and then as you can see here, this is the latest version, which is 295.00.32.109, and this was updated on the 8th of August. Now what you can go ahead is scroll down until you can find 290. So this one does not have the camera zoom problem. You can go ahead and install this, but of course once that the update is available, just go right on ahead and update that, and there you go. That should fix your Instagram camera zoom problem. And thank you for watching the video.